ready to skyrocket your website's trustworthiness and convert those hesitant visitors into loyal customers. Let's dive into how to seamlessly add your stellar Trustpilot reviews to your WordPress website using the drag-and-drop magic of Elementor. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Trustpilot. Look for the official Trustpilot plugin to ensure a smooth and secure integration. Click Install now and then activate the plugin. Now, open the page or post where you want to showcase your glowing reviews in Elementor. In the Elementor editor, search for Trustpilot in the Widgets panel. You'll find different Trustpilot widgets to choose from, like review displays, trust badges, and more. Simply drag and drop your desired widget onto your page. Now, for the fun part, customize the widget settings to match your website's style and choose how many reviews you want to display, the layout, and more. And just like that, your website is now showcasing authentic Trustpilot reviews, building instant credibility, and boosting conversions. You've now successfully integrated Trustpilot reviews, giving your site that extra oomph it needs. Remember to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.